If you're getting the AON 2, a temporary error has occurred message, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a simple and effective way to fix it. Just follow each step carefully. First, open your browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, Chrome, Firefox, or anything else. Once it's open, type NCSoft Login into the search bar and open First Website. After the site loads, go ahead and log in to your account. Make sure you enter your correct details so you can access your profile settings. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Games section. Look for AON 2 and select it from the list. After opening it, go to your profile and then tap on Manage Account. On the Manage Account page, scroll down to the section called Security Service in Use. Here, you'll find the option to enable a one-time password, or OTP. Go ahead and turn this feature on. This step is important because the temporary error usually appears due to server overload inside the game. But when you activate the OTP from the website, you avoid the server overload issues that usually cause the temporary error inside the game, meaning you won't run into the error again. And that's it. After following these steps, the AON 2, a temporary error has occurred issue should be fully fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.